Plant FAQs. Begonia Heracleifolia. Begonia Heracleifolia. The Star Begonia, your guide by Vu. Hi everyone, Vu here. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Begonia Heracleifolia, also known as the Star Begonia. This stunning succulent native to Mexico and Central America has captured the hearts of plant enthusiasts worldwide. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with all the essentials to cultivate a thriving Begonia Heracleifolia. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Begonia Heracleifolia special? The Star Begonia stands out for its captivating foliage. Its leaves boast a mesmerizing star-shaped form, earning it the apt nickname. The lush green leaves often feature dramatic dark margins, and the patterns can vary delightfully, making each plant unique. But the beauty goes beyond aesthetics. This begonia is a survivor. It's a rhizomatous species, meaning it stores energy in underground stems, making it tolerant of dry spells. This resilience makes it a perfect choice for forgetful plant parents or those living in arid climates. Begonia Heracleifolia versus Begonia Masoniana. Striking similarities, subtle differences. Often confused with its close cousin, the Begonia Masoniana, Iron Cross Begonia, the Star Begonia shares some characteristics. Both boast stunning, star-shaped foliage. However, some key differences set them apart. Leaf texture. The Star Begonia's leaves are typically thicker and more succulent compared to the Masoniana's thinner, papery leaves. Leaf coloration. While both have green leaves, the Star Begonia tends towards a deeper, richer green, while the Masoniana often displays a lighter, brighter shade. Leaf markings. The Star Begonia's dark margins are often more pronounced, creating a sharper contrast with the green interior. The Masoniana's markings can be more subtle or even absent. How to care for Begonia Heracleifolia. Bringing a Star Begonia into your home is easy. Here's what you need to know. Light. Bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water. Water thoroughly when the top inch of soil dries out. Remember, underwatering is preferable to overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Consider adding perlite or orchid bark to improve drainage. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied monthly. Propagation. Sharing the star power. The Star Begonia readily multiplies, allowing you to share its beauty. Here are two popular methods. Leaf cuttings. Take a healthy leaf with a short stem attached. Plant it in a moist, well-draining potting mix. Keep the soil slightly damp and provide bright, indirect light. New growth should emerge in a few weeks. Rhizome division. When repotting a mature plant, you might find it has multiple growing points, eyes, on the rhizome. Carefully divide the rhizome with a sterilized knife, ensuring each section has at least one eye. Plant each section in separate pots and care for them as usual. Common issues and how to address them. While a resilient plant, the Star Begonia can face occasional challenges. Here's how to tackle common ones. Leaf spots. Fungal diseases can cause brown spots on leaves. Increase air circulation around the plant and treat with a fungicide if necessary. Mealybugs. These sap-sucking insects appear as white, cottony masses. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil spray. Leggy growth. Insufficient light can cause the plant to stretch with small leaves. Move it to a brighter location. Conclusion. The Star Begonia, a shining addition to your home. The Begonia Heracleifolia, with its captivating foliage and easygoing nature, is a perfect choice for plant enthusiasts of all levels. With proper care, this dazzling succulent will add a touch of star power to your home for years to come. If you have any further questions about the Star Begonia, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy planting!